Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj series of video lectures by Baroj from Mufakirin. Episode number 3, Preparation. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode. In this episode, we will discuss about preparation before embarking on your journey for Hajj. You should redress all your wrongdoings. If you have anything with someone, just go and ask for forgiveness. Pay your debts if you have any debts. Ensure that you have a sufficient resources for your journey and sufficient provision for your family to take care themselves while you are on this journey. And appoint wise wali. What is wali? Wali is head of family who is responsible for whole family. So if you are the responsible for your whole family and you will be on the Hajj journey, then you appoint someone within your family who act as a wali on behalf of you while you are on the journey. Write your will, that's very important. We wish that everybody is safe and secure and comes back, but it's advisable to have your will in place. Get some training about the Hajj and Umrah, how to perform what are the rights and obligations and other things of this journey. Keep your documents in order. When you are coming from the foreign country, you would have your passports, visa, your reservation, hotel bookings, etc. Everything you should keep in order and keep track of them, and arrange a hadi or qurbani. So who will do the qurbani? Would it be done in Makkah or somebody relatives at home? However you arrange, make that arrangements. Then you keep in touch with your groups. Most probably you will be part of a group, so keep in touch with the groups and interact with them, so you are frequently updated on what's happening, when you will go, regarding your schedule, and when you are will be performing Hajj. That early bond with your group will help you. Keep your mobile and chargers with you, ready for your journey, and also get some travel plugs. Maybe you find a difficulty. Sometimes there are 3 plug UK switches, sometimes it's American 2 plug switches, so you just keep a travel charger, so multifunctional, that will help you wherever you encounter any difficulty. And then you finish your shopping. What shopping you have to finish for this journey? Usually you will need a travel bag, depending what you want to carry, but a decent size. When you will be coming from back and will have a shopping, either you can have a bigger bag from right away, or maybe you can have a smaller bag here, and then when you will do some shopping coming back, you can buy another bag there. But it's advisable to buy a sufficient bag from your home country. That might be a reasonable price. Things are expensive during this Hajj period, especially in Saudi Arabia, in the Makkah and Medina. And you buy a shoe bag. Why shoe bag? Because it will be difficult to keep your shoes with you and performing Umrah, Tawaf, Sa'i, etc., other parts of the Hajj and Umrah. So you must have your a bag, so you can carry your shoes, or you can put it at a place where you can easily recognize sometimes it's difficult. You may leave your shoes in one place in haram, and then you will find a way out from another side, and it will be totally difficult for you to recognize where did you put your shoes. So to avoid this, most people carry on their back, so small backpack of shoes. You can carry shoes in that small backpack, and then have your wallet bag. When you will be in ihram, it's difficult to carry your belongings, so you can have either this ihram belt with a purse, wallet with you can put some things and cards, etc., or you can have this type of bag. Then you need to purchase your regular clothes or carry your regular clothes if you have already sufficient for the travel. If you want to make a new one, then you do arrangement for them. Have your prayer mat. Also buy a sandal, because for ihram you have to keep your upper part of the foot open, so this type of sandal is advisable during the ihram. And also buy your ihram, have your umbrella ready, and ihram belt as well. These are some things you need to purchase. This is your shopping before embarking on journey. I hope this will help you. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this, hit the thumbs down. And if you have already subscribed this channel, I thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel so you get the updates for the upcoming episode, and look for the next episode. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Ma salama.